In this video, we're going to show you how to maintain your immersion suit so it will extend your survival time in case you end up in the water. An immersion suit, often called a survival suit, is designed for two functions. One, keeping yourself afloat, and two, slowing down your cooling in cold water. Thousands of lives have been saved by immersion suits that were maintained in good condition. The zipper is one of the most critical parts of the suit. The zipper should work up and down without too much effort. It needs to be kept waxed with the lubricant recommended by the manufacturer. Look for any missing teeth or signs of what will be green corrosion. That's a red flag. Missing teeth or corrosion means it is unfit for service. In that case, cut off the suit's arm and/or leg and discard the suit. If the zipper is good, take the lubricant and work it into the outside of the zipper from the top to the bottom. Turn the zipper over and lubricate inside as well. Over time, you might get a buildup of wax. In that case, use a toothbrush to clean out the excess wax and re-wax again. Run the suit's zipper up and down a few times to spread the lubricant so it runs easier. Once the zipper is waxed, leave the zipper up an inch or two in case clothing gets jammed so that you can pull the zipper down to clear the snag. If the suit is more than 20 years from the date of manufacture, the suit should be cut up and discarded. Check the overall condition of the material, front and back. Look for holes in the suit. Leaks especially occur along seams. Look and smell for oil or mold and check out the inside of the suit for dampness or wetness. Inspect the light reflective tape on the suit. There should be 31 square inches of tape on the front and 31 square inches on the back of the suit. Make sure it is not yellowed or peeled off. You can buy new light reflective tape as needed. Check the inflation ring or pillow. Gently pull on the hose where it attaches to the bladder and inflation tip to make sure it holds air and orally inflates. Some suits have a holder. Be sure to put the inflation hose back in that holder so that it can be found after donning the suit. There's no need to have long lanyards to the lights and whistles since they can get snagged in your zipper. The whistle can be heard 3 to 5 times further than the human voice. Check the light to see that it works and check that the battery is still in date. With a small shop vac, you can inflation check your suit for leaks. Take a conical buoy and connect it to the exhaust side of your shop vac to inflate the suit. Mix a mild detergent with water in a spray bottle. Inflate the suit with just enough pressure and spray high-risk areas such as the zipper and seams, and look for bubbles signifying leaks. If bubbles are found, use the manufacturer's recommended sealant or send to a service station. To extend the life of your suit and prevent cold spots in the water from creases, roll the suit, don't fold it, starting at the bottom of the feet. Roll the legs up to the bottom of the zipper and raise the zipper fob 1 or 2 inches from the bottom. Continue rolling up the suit to the shoulders. Take the face flap on the hood and put it inside the hood. Put the hood over the roll you have just made. Place one arm over the bundle and the other arm over that. Note that you have made no crease in the suit. Now place the suit with the top side arm on the suit facing the open bag. Don't forget to wax the snaps on the bag and close the snaps. Avoid putting too much weight on the stored bag. 1 or 2 suits high is okay. The neoprene suit material does have compression memory. If you are fortunate enough to have room during the off-season, hang your suit in a warm space with good air circulation. Check manufacturer's maintenance recommendations and Coast Guard requirements in your region. Remember, your survival suit is your parachute in an emergency at sea. Take care of it like your life depends on it. It does.